Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in this Tripscout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, click on the change password button. So first you have to type your old password. And then you have to type a new password and then confirm this new password. And then just click on the submit button and your password is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.